Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys very delicious spicy mango habanero wings, chicken wings. I also have a previous video, most watched video, that is spicy hot and sweet chicken recipe that I will put the link below. You can check it out that as well. If you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week. To start off, I have a 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. To that I've added pepper as needed, 1 tablespoon paprika, salt as needed. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and also 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now I'm going to give it a quick mix until it's all well incorporated. Here I have 1.5 pound chicken wings washed and dried, no water in it. I'm going to just give it a quick mix to well combine them and coat them. I'm going to add them in a baking tray with the parchment paper below. Now my oven is also preheating at 400 degree or up to between 400 to 420 degree depending on your oven temperature. I'm gonna bake them for 40 minutes to 45 minutes until it's nice and crispy outside. If you want to deep fry, you can also do that in oil. It's totally up to you. Here I have large mango. I want a pulp to make a puree of 1.5 cups of puree. So you can use mango, fresh mango, or mango juice, or frozen mango if you can find them. So now I'm going to scoop this out of the scoop the flesh out of the skin, and once that is done, we are going to prepare this beautiful sauce. I'm also going to this is a habanero pepper that if you can find habanero pepper in your city, in your country, you can use anything that is spicy hot chili that you can find. I'm going to heat them on a pan, or you can even do it directly on the stove top on the fire to get this nice charred flavor in your sauce. Now let's put together the sauce. Now I have a food processor. In this I'm going to add the mango pulps that we just took it out from the mango, and then here I have 1 garlic clove just roughly chopped. To this I'm going to add the habanero pepper roasted. You can add more if you like, but 1 is more than enough. I've not removed any seed. Here I have 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as needed. Here I have 3 tablespoon maple syrup. If you can find maple syrup, honey is okay as well, or sugar. Now I'm going to pulse it until it's nice and creamy sauce. Now it's ready. Here I have a pan. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil, any neutral oil that doesn't have any kind of flavor. To this I'm going to add the mango pulp we just prepared. To that I have added 1 teaspoon paprika. I'm going to cook them on medium low heat until the sauce thickens up and you will see the color have changed. As you can see, it's going to take some time, and just go ahead and keep stirring in between, and don't just leave it unattended because you don't want it to burn them. The sauce needs to thicken up. As you can see, the sauce thickened up, and also it has beautiful that color. That's what we are looking for. Now the sauce is ready. I'm going to take it out, turn the stove off, and then keep it aside. Now I'm going to check the chicken wing. It's perfect. You can see the chicken wing is done perfectly, and it has nice that color, and it's nice and crispy. To this I'm going to add the mango sauce, and I'm going to reserve some as for a dipping sauce and give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to add them back in the tray and reduce the temperature to 375 and bake them for another 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the sauce. This is a beautiful sauce. We are going to do 3 full spoon of mayonnaise and 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Now if you want to increase the quantity of the ingredients I'm giving. 1 teaspoon mustard and 1 teaspoon garlic grated. If you want to skip the garlic, you can do that, no problem. And now to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, and half a teaspoon pepper, or as needed. Here I have 1 tablespoon heavy cream. If you don't have a heavy cream, you can add milk or any kind of nut milk as well. It's totally fine. And go ahead and give it a quick whisk. And now to this I'm going to add salt as needed. Mix it, check for the seasoning. And now this is the cheese that I'm going to add, blue cheese. And 2 tablespoon blue cheese. I'm going to just crumble it and add it into the sauce. This is one of the beautiful delicious sauce you can add with any kind of chicken wing, in fact, any kind of white meat, in fact. Goes so good with chicken wing. 1 teaspoon white vinegar or lemon juice would work as well. Give it a quick mix and cover it and refrigerate. You can even prepare this 1 day ahead of time, no problem. Now the chicken is perfectly done, nicely caramelized with the mango sauce that we added. it's time for plating. Here the reserved mango that I'm gonna keep as the dipping sauce, and also the sauce that we just prepared with the blue cheese. Now serve it while it is hot. The sauce is such a keeper. The mango sauce is great dipping sauce as well. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'm going to show you guys how this chicken looks from inside. As you can see, it's nice and crispy. You don't even have to deep fry them. It's perfectly healthy, it's nicely baked, and it's still juicy from inside. Now I'm going to try my mango sauce, and it's going to be spicy and hot. That it's super delicious. The chicken is super juicy, and the best part is the blue cheese sauce. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And as I said, I also have another mango chicken recipe below. The link is below in my description box. Don't forget to check that out as well. And I will see you soon in my next video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.